Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 24th, 2024, and it's my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500, SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation. Because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is suitable for you. All right, let's look at these charts right quick and see what we see. And let me maximize this quarterly chart. All right, let me zoom in a little here. Boom. On the quarterly chart, as we can see, we're fighting underneath the yearly R1 level. And all. Let me zoom just in here a little bit if I can. Come on. Boom. Yeah, we're right there at it. Get what I can see. This is 507. It's the pivot. And we're the max. It did actually pop above it and end up closing below it. And it went as high as 510, and our close was at 507.85. It closed right at it. Wow. So again, with that, I do expect us to be going higher. We're already at a yearly R1 and all. We're definitely above that 500. We went as high as 510 this week. So the thing is, this market is, as one guy was asking me, I just said this market is very bullish. A pullback is due, but who knows when it's going to happen. Just learn to trade what you see happening in front of you. And all right, let's zoom in here on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, as we can see, this has been a very hot month. We're above the quarterly pivot, R1 quarterly pivot already. We're heading to a R2 level, which is only at a 5, look like 24 there I'm seeing. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here and where we can see that. As you can see there, that's about just a 524, 523, 524. We had a close up here well above an R1 level, so I do expect to see us going higher. And we are above the 10. Again, very bullish market still and all. But let's go down and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. And we was kind of expecting a little bit of a pullback. We got that little bit of a pullback, but at the end of last week, as the bulls really did come into play real strong, would it be forming an evening star? That question has been answered. Now we have a bullish engulfing, almost. We didn't engulf the full wick, but we definitely engulfed the full body, and we see this market now above an R2 level. This market going all the way to an R3 level. That very seldom happens. And again, you can see back here, you very see this market go to an R3 level. But that's why I can say this is a very bullish market here this month. And even just getting across an R2 level, that does happen. But going to an R3 level, that very seldom happens. But it can. But right now, the bulls are in charge, and we do see this thing charging forward. All right, let's take a quick look at the daily chart and wrap this all up and see what happened this past week. And this past week, the big thing this past week was that NVIDIA, I think. That was the big thing, that the big shaker and mover. As you can see, that caused this gap. We was expecting a little bit of a pullback. We had a 2-3 day pullback. That's about all we get here in this bull market. Get where they want to take a little bit of profit, build a little bit of more of a position, to pop this market up and then take some more profit, And as you can see here on these weekly pivots and stuff, we ended up below pivot. Started out the week below pivot, but then with NVIDIA, earnings, it just popped things really crazy. And we went all the way, we ended up getting above an R1 level and just slowing down at an R2 level on these weekly pivots. But again, I do see us still continuing to go higher. It may not be that smooth, but again, a lot of money has been made. There will be some profit taking. We will start getting this little jagged looking look. It won't be a straight up type move. So again, just learn to trade what you see, manage your trades, stick to your rules, stick to your plan. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys are having a great week. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.